Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can stop Chrome from blocking downloads. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, tap on the three dots icon at top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Inside this menu, click on the settings feature and your overall browser settings will be displayed. Now, navigate to the privacy and security feature and access security. Inside it, you can see that there is a feature called Safe Browsing. By default, Enhanced Protection will be selected, and it is the reason why your downloads are being blocked. Now what you need to do is scroll down a little bit and select No Protection. Now click on Turn Off and you are good to go. So that's basically how you can stop Chrome from blocking downloads. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.